It's okay, sweetie.
Are you videotaping me?
Yeah. Is it okay videotaping you? Hey, Julie. It's only a game, sweetie. Now it gives you a chance to build a new house?
Even better.
Is that even better? Sometimes fires give you a fresh start. In the forest, when the forest burns down, it's actually good for the forest. And it gives the forest a fresh start. Maybe that's how it's going to be for your house? You think so? You okay now? No. So sorry. You look okay.